Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Dodge Challenger 2015 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Front Power Distribution Center. The Front Power Distribution Center in the 2015 Dodge Challenger manages the primary fuses and relays that support major vehicle systems. It provides overload and short-circuit protection for components such as the engine, ignition, lighting, and cooling systems. The Front Power Distribution Center in the 2016 and 2017 Dodge Challenger houses the main fuses and relays that control critical vehicle systems. It protects components such as the engine, ignition, lighting, climate control, and cooling systems from overloads and short circuits. The Front Power Distribution Center in the 2018 and 2019 Dodge Challenger contains the primary fuses and relays that regulate essential electrical systems. It safeguards key components such as the engine, ignition, lighting, climate control, and cooling systems from electrical faults. Rear Power Distribution Center. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2015 Dodge Challenger manages the fuses and relays that supply power to rear-mounted electrical systems. It provides protection for components such as rear lighting, audio systems, and convenience features by ensuring stable power flow and safeguarding against overloads. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2016 and 2017 Dodge Challenger controls the fuses and relays dedicated to the vehicle's rear electrical systems. It protects components such as rear lighting, audio equipment, and convenience features from overloads and short circuits. The Rear Power Distribution Center in the 2018 and 2019 Dodge Challenger manages the fuses and relays for rear electrical systems. It provides protection for components such as rear lighting, audio systems, and various convenience features against overloads and electrical faults.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.